Guess it's time to replace a tire. Now I can hear it already. Jonathan, why'd you slash the tire? Why'd you throw it and blow it up? Well, I could have just changed the tire, but I mean, that wouldn't have been very entertaining. All right, tire basics. Now everybody's got 100 opinions, but there's only one right way. First thing we're gonna do is get a couple of lugs started on here. All right, now they're all in place. Now this is only a hammer drill, so it's not like it's gonna put any torque on these at all. So the tire's on, but we're not torqued down yet. All right, once we have everything pretty good and tight, then we can start going in a clockwise pattern. And that's about it. Y'all have a good day.